What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to pair your Bose 700 headphones to your device. Before we get deep into the video, make sure to subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Let's get into it. So there are two ways you can pair your Bose 700 headphones. The first way is if you're trying to pair it with an existing device that you paired the headphones with before. All you have to do is just press the Bluetooth button once, and as soon as the LED light, it's going to be a blue LED light. As soon as it turns on, it's going to begin to flash, and then it's going to be solid. Once it's solid, that means it's been paired to your device. So for example, right here I have my iPhone, which I paired the Bluetooth headphones with previously. So as soon as I turned it on, it's going to automatically connect. As you can see here, it's going to begin flashing blue for a little bit, and now it's solid, which means it's now paired with my iPhone. The other way you can pair your Bluetooth headphones if you're trying to pair it with a whole brand new device is instead of just pressing down once on your Bluetooth button right here, you're just going to press and hold until it begins to flash blue again. And once it begins flashing blue, as you can see, it's going to appear right here. Now, Onyx is the name of the headphone because that's what I named it through the Bose app. So as you can see here, it is ready to be paired again with my device. So this was my video on how to pair your Bose 700 headphones. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Hope you have a great day. Take care.